Are you still worried about the shrinking market for regular rebar? Why not take a look at FRP rebar production equipment? This equipment integrates various control sections, including sand frames, resin impregnation, winding, sandblasting, baking, cooling, traction, and cutting. Resin impregnation. The yarn is pre-baked and tension adjusted before entering the resin impregnation process, ensuring it enters in optimal condition. The multi-stage resin rollers ensure the yarn is thoroughly and evenly impregnated with resin, while effectively removing excess resin to avoid waste and contamination. Winding. The winding section uses a single machine with dual positions. Frequency control ensures the winding and traction systems run in sync, guaranteeing precision during the winding process. Sandblasting. To meet the requirements for adhering quartz sand to the surface of specific fiber-reinforced rebar products, a sandblasting device can be added before the baking stage. Baking and cooling. The baking oven is easy to operate. A water cooling circulation system is used to efficiently cool the products after baking. Cutting. The cutting machine can automatically complete the cutting process according to the preset length. Allende's FRP rebar equipment integrates multiple innovative technologies with a focus on user-friendly design in every stage. These elements work together to drive the industry toward a smarter and more efficient future.